Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to easily take off the skin of the shrimp and also to take out the intestine before making use of it. Yeah, if you don't know, shrimp has intestine that must be taken out, otherwise it will not taste good in your mouth. So guys, I bought this carton of shrimp. I've been making use of it, and yeah, I decided today before it finishes to share with you how I take out the skin. But the main purpose of me showing you this is how to take out the intestine. You see how I'm doing it? I take off the head, twist it a little bit, then pull it, and the skin is out just like so. Just take a very look at what I'm doing. Just open it a little bit here, twist it and pull it out. Very easy. Even if it breaks, you can also use your nails to scrape it out. It doesn't take too much time. Please, if you're coming across my video for the first time, give this video a thumbs up, share out my video to your family, your friends, your colleagues, and also subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below as well. So when I'm done taking out the skin, we proceed to taking out the intestine. If you look very well, you will see a long black thing inside the shrimp. I just put the toothpick there and use it to drag it out. Then take it out from the other end. And that's it. It doesn't take too much time to do this. Let me repeat it again. If you turn the back of the shrimp, put your toothpick, drag it out. Sometimes you will not see it, it will cut, but just put your hand there, drag it out, it will still come out. If you don't take this out of the shrimp, it will spoil the taste of the shrimp. You will not enjoy the shrimp, but once you take this out and cook your shrimp, you will enjoy it. You will notice that the taste will be different. That's why sometimes I don't like eating shrimp outside, but my love for seafood will not allow me. Because sometimes I feel that they don't take it out. So guys, that's all I will be doing to take out the intestine from the shrimp. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much. If you have any other hack, any other way you take out the intestine from your own shrimp and you think is the easiest way, please leave it in the comment section. We all are here to learn. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye, and see you in my next video. Ciao.